Top of the day to you all, and you are welcome to the second session of the virtual classroom environment for GNS 211, History and Philosophy of Science. We shall be talking about scientific methods. Although scientists use different methods, there is a basic pattern in their thinking and working. This pattern is known as scientific method. Scientific method, in essence, is the set of general principles which serve scientists and laymen alike in the elevation of claims to knowledge. Now, what are these general principles guiding scientists? What are they? When you say general principle, the first one is experiencing a problem. If you're having a headache, you not just wake up to say that you're having a headache. You must have been experiencing that headache. So, which means that a problem has to exist before you can be saying you want to find solution to it. That problem has to exist before you can say you want to find solution to such problem. The problem had to exist. Then secondly, defining the problem. Then you have to define the problem. What type of headache are you having? Are you having a mild headache or a very strong headache? After you have defined the headache, you now make relevant observation. How often do you have that headache? Is it frequent or occasionally? Are you having it frequently or you are having it occasionally? Then after making relevant observation, you now construct hypothesis. And like I told you in one of our classes, that a hypothesis is an intelligent guess. You know, something you have to put a question which you have to find solution to it. Maybe you say maybe that headache is caused by maybe stress or as a result of a sign of malaria fever or a sign of typhoid fever. That's what is called hypothesis in this situation. Then the next thing for you now is to test your hypothesis. You put your hypothesis into test by experimenting it. You want to know whether the headache is caused by stress or by another ailment which may be typhoid fever or malaria fever. So you have to put it to test. And the way you can put that to test is to consult your what? Your physician. After you have consulted your physician we send you to laboratory whereby they will conduct a wide test for you. So after the test now, it is the test that will tell you whether your headache is as a result of stress or is as a result of malaria or typhoid fever. So after that, you now accept or reject your hypothesis. You know that your hypothesis is that maybe what we said the other time, that your headache is caused by stress. But after you must have gone to your physician and you have been subjected to laboratory test, and the test revealed that you are having symptoms of malaria and typhoid fever. So in this case, you have to reject your earlier hypothesis, which says that your headache was due to stress. And whereby the laboratory test shows that your headache is a symptom of sign of malaria and typhoid fever. Thank you very much. We'll meet in another session to discuss this topic further.